What?
Did I wash these pants? Or just like, I haven't worn them in a week or something. What's up with the sandwich?
No. I'm leaving the couch.
What the fuck? Why is there a card inside your freaking sandwich? What's this vibrating? Now I remember! Last week some lady gave me the card. I went home to wax my ears. And then I grabbed the phone. And then I got hungry. I got a sandwich. Where'd you find that sandwich?
Behind the couch.
Dude, that was my sandwich from last week. Go for it. You better do it time right.